Here is our weekly construction update. This is the plot number 6 and number 7. Between the plot number 6 and 7 we are working on retaining wall, as you can see, quite deep. Retaining wall ensure that the hill will stay together. Just do foundation for retaining wall. Here we are working on plot number 5. First set of foundation is done, as you can see. And now we will move to the bottom of the land, where we are working on foundations for plots number 1 and number 2. To be honest, I will never get tired of this view. I believe it's one of the outstanding features of our project, the view. Okay, and here we're working on foundations plot 1 and 2. And yes, the sea is really close. Kopangan over there.